Oh yeah, starting the day. Look at all that.
I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. Tonight you'll set my bed so you can get up and play. 'Cause you never feel this way.
What up? Welcome back to Dan's Hangout Garage, and today we are going to be working on the B6 again. We are going to be installing a new boost tap for my boost gauge. I installed a new boost gauge for this thing. I did not make a video of it. Excuse the messy car, but there is the boost gauge that I bought from E&S Tunings. So it's time to hook it up so we can read boost. Yeah, I've never done it before, so let's do it. We'll figure it out. First thing we're gonna do is pop the hood, of course. Pop the hood. And then we're gonna open the hood. All right, once we're in the hood bay, engine bay, we're gonna have to remove the air cleaner setup so we can get to the intake, so we can tie into the find a place to tie into the boost. Then we need to add the boost tap. So first thing we're gonna do, unplug the mass airflow sensor, disconnects. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Disconnect our air inlet, and then of course yours probably has good grommets, mine does not, so I could just lift it up and get it out of the way. Now that we have it out the way, we should be working with this fitting right here, but I'm gonna go get the boost tap ready so we can install it. Oh yeah, see, I already have the hose ran ready to go from last time, but so we can get it hooked on up. All right, well, here's our boost tap kit. Here's our boost tap. It comes with a couple different end fittings that we're gonna need depending on the size of your hose. You select the one that you're gonna need, which I think I got the smallest one on there, whatever. Now it comes with these little bitty screws. Just block off because it comes with 3 different ones. But if you just screw them in, they'll screw in all the way. So what we're gonna do is try to add a little Teflon tape so we can seal it up so we don't have a boost leak or cause a boost leak. So let's get those sealed up and we'll head back to the car. All right, I'm gonna have to make this quick because it's trying to rain on me. But our next deal is with this hose right here. Kind of wiggle it a little bit, get it loose. Then you press on both ends. Probably gonna be hard because it's been on there a while. And it's got O-rings in there that keeps it sealed up. And try not to break the clip. There we go. And we can install our boost tap. Don't forget to insert your supplied O-ring with the kit. Get it pushed on there, and then it has this little clip here. Orientate this the way you need. And there we go. We've added a new boost tap. Take this hose and clip it on there. There we go, fully on. and make sure it clips all the way on so it doesn't pop off. And we can cut our boost tap line down and insert it in.